Hey guys, so I recently brought one of these GoPro Fusion 360 cameras to take with me on my snowboarding trips. I was having a look around on YouTube and I couldn't really see anything that compared the stability between this one and the other device I was using, which was this DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. I really like using the gimbal because you can use your phone and the phone got a very good camera. My phone that I use is the Samsung Note 8, and I just wanted to get a different perspective when I was doing some filming, and I really like some of the 360 films out there of the snowboarding, so I thought I'd give this a go. And on my last trip to New Zealand, I went down one run with the GoPro 360 and then did the same run again using the gimbal. And I thought I'd put this comparison video together so you can see the difference in the stability. Don't focus too much on the quality of the videos. I'm still trying to get my head around how to edit these properly with the 360, and I think the quality could be improved with better editing. But yeah, just mainly focusing on the stability, and yeah, so take a look and see what you think. Leave some comments below, and like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.